Purchasing data center equipment is simple, but due to the huge number of components involved, installing and managing it can be overwhelming while focusing on core business competencies. Servers, cabinets, PDUs, cooling systems make a data center. It is difficult to source these components and implement the solution while juggling day-to-day tasks. Rahi's extensive data center infrastructure service assists clients with equipment procurement, shipping, logistics, and on-site labor to make the process seamless. Rahi, a global IT solutions provider with 40-plus offices around 6 continents, offers compute, storage, networking, power, and cooling solutions, and a team of certified data center experts to help with the successful implementation and execution.